everybody, I'm Dr. Jennifer Trent, board certified dermatologist. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the StimuROLLER by DS Laboratories for hair growth. Derma rolling is a minimally invasive way to stimulate hair growth at home. Derma rollers stimulate hair growth in two ways. One is by increasing blood flow to the scalp, which increases nutrients for hair growth. The second is by increasing absorption of the hair growth products you use after derma rolling. Derma rolling is very easy to do with very little discomfort. First, you're going to make sure that the scalp is freshly washed and your hands are washed as well. Next, you're going to prep the area that you're going to treat on the scalp with 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol in order to prevent infection. Throughout the procedure, you're going to be using even but moderate pressure. The goal is not to cause bleeding or pain. You're going to roll 4 or 5 times back and forth in each direction like this. First, you're going to go vertically, then you're going to go horizontally, then you're going to go diagonally. And you're going to do this same pattern over the entire scalp that you want to treat. When you've completed derma rolling, you're going to apply your hair growth product from DS Laboratories. I'm using Spectrals CSF. And you're going to rub in the product. It's very important after you've completed the procedure to clean your derma roller to prevent infection. You're going to soak it for 10 minutes in 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. It's also important to change your derma roller monthly if you're using it once to twice a week, because the blades will get dull and then they can damage your skin. So good luck derma rolling. Thank you.